another vlog. So for today's video, I will gonna show you what I buy last July 1. I know, not July, last August 1. It's the first day of the final sale of the Monster Germany. So I'm gonna show you. So a while I just video about my Michael Kors bag. So I have 2 of those. So guys, for our next vlog, this is another brand of a bag. So as you can see also in my social account, I posted this one, but I didn't, it's just only for the paper bag, but I did not show what is really I buy or what I buy in this brand or in this kind of brand. So for today, so I will gonna show you my second collection of Coach bag, guys. So I really like this Coach. Actually, guys, when we go there, I did not notice that they have new design. I know, I think they have, but I did not choose their newest design. It's a little bit pricey also, but not like just a little higher by this one. So yeah, they also have some other promo there, so you can buy one shopper bag together with a pouch or something. So I did not choose that one because it's too big, and then as what I mentioned in my other vlog, that I switch up to a small bags. So I really love shopper bags, but I just switch off to a smaller one. So here, guys, actually this is my second time that I bought in Coach. So I think this is the last bags that I was gonna buy for this year, because my husband already said I already have a lot, and then I cannot use it as much as I can because I just stay in here in the house. So I don't have any work yet, but soon I think I'm gonna start going to school to learn their language, and then after that one, maybe who knows, I could find a job. So here, guys, so this is the second one, the Coach bag. So as what I told you last time on my vlog, so they don't have any dust bag. So when I buy this one, I just ask if they have dust bag, and then thank God they have. So that's why they told me that every time I'm gonna go there, and if they cannot give me dust bag, I just need to ask, because sometimes they don't have, sometimes they have stocks because of many customers they have, so they are running out of dust bags. So here, guys, without further ado, let's gonna unwrap this Coach bag. So here we go. This is the paper bag of Coach, and then here, this is what I buy. So let's just gonna put this one here down. So here, guys, this is their dust bag. I think the size of this one is small, if I'm not mistaken. They're small, so let's gonna open it. So in 1, 2, 3, ta-da! So here, you guys. Here. So here again. Let's gonna take off the tape on it. So actually, they have new, just only one new design in the Coach outlet shop there, but it's also nice. But my sponsor, or aka my husband, just chose this one because my friend have like this. It's color black, but my husband don't like to buy a plain color bag because he said it's too boring. So he wants like there's a design. As what you can see, some of my bags has each design, guys. So here we will gonna take off the plastic. I'm really excited to see this. So I'm just gonna put it inside. On the side. So here, guys, so this is the new bag that I have from Coach. So they have, it has a one compartment in the back and here. So in the zipper, there's a word. They have their word, Coach, New York. So here, it's open already. So let's gonna open it again. So here, guys, in Coach, they have this care instruction. I don't know what's this. I think that's something for a man. And then what's the other one I get? It's care instruction also. So I have 2 care instruction in this center compartment here. So there's no little compartment in the center. So let's gonna close this one. And here, let's go here. So, oh my gosh, I don't know how to do this. Okay, so here. So I'm just gonna take off. My gosh, it's so hard. So here, guys, so there's every time, yeah, I think most of the Coach has like this. So in the other shop, you can stamp it by your name here. There's a Coach name, there's a Coach logo here. So you can stamp it by your name. But when I asked there in the outlet, they don't have the stamper. So the cashier just told me that if ever I will gonna drop by in some other Coach shop, I can just go there and let them see my receipt, and then they can just stamp it by my name here in this area. So here, guys, this is the front and this is the back, and here's what's inside of it. So in the first compartment, guys, I have this one, the sling. So yeah, this is slash like that, or slash a crisp bag body, because there's a sling. So I'm just gonna put it and put it on the side. So I have this one. I don't know what's this, so I'm just gonna put it back. And I have it's Sig and LILLIE, CARRYALL. I don't know what's that. And like Khaki. So here's the so I also have the other one has here. So it's just a little, and there's a logo inside with a Coach and logo for something like history. So that's all, guys. So I hope you like this unwrapping bag. So I hope to see you around again and to my next upload, which is unwrapping, because I love collecting bags. So but actually, sad to say, this is the last but not the least that I will gonna buy bags for this year. So I think see you next year again, guys, for another unwrapping bags. So yeah, I hope you like this video right now with this Coach unwrapping bag. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up, and hope you're gonna share this video to your friends who love Coach or who love different kinds of bags. And if you are new to my channel, I hope you will click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next video. So thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Have a great day, and keep safe there, and see you around. Thank you, everyone.